Hello friends, if you plan to use a large plastic bucket like a pot to grow your plants, like the vegetable plants, today I'm going to show you how to make holes at the bottom of the bucket to help with water drainage. So this is the bucket that we are using. The method is very simple. Take a Phillips screwdriver and heat the tip of the screwdriver on a stove flame. Heat it very well for probably a minute or so until the tip becomes very hot. It needs to be very hot, otherwise you'll not be able to poke holes at the bottom. So I'm heating it. Looks like it's heated up pretty good. Just for a few seconds more, and then just follow this method to poke holes at the bottom, just like how I'm showing you. Since this is a very large bucket and the holes are kind of small, it would be good to make at least 7 or 8 holes at different locations all around the bucket at the bottom. Just like that. I think that should be good. We have several holes at the bottom. It should give you very good water drainage. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please post a comment and I'll respond to you as quickly as possible. Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.